This old guy DIY video has to do with replacing the spring that holds the magazine catch for a Stern Defense 9mm magazine well adapter for an AR-15. So a friend recently got this Stern Defense unit, and there should be a spring down in here. So you can see the little stud that the spring is supposed to go over. And without that spring, there's nothing to hold this latch in place, so a magazine would fall out. So he called Stern Defense, told them what he had experienced, and they said, hey, we'll just mail you a new spring rather than have you send that unit back. So the spring that showed up is right here. I just measured it with a micrometer, and it's 5/32 of an inch outside diameter and 1 inch long. So the assembly is really straightforward. When you come over here to the Stern Defense unit, there's a little set screw that goes in this hole right here. And that set screw is on the Allen wrench that Stern Defense provided with the unit. So now all I'm going to do is take the little spring, put it in that hole, put the set screw behind it, and we'll see if it works. The set screw is right here, and it's in place. And now if we look at the unit from the top, you can see the spring is down there where it belongs. And if we look at the way this little lock activates, now it has nice tension on it. It looks like it's going to do its job retaining the Glock magazine when it's in the mag well. So I hope this little video helped you. If you need a spring for your Stern Defense magazine catch, it's 5/32 by 1 inch. And if you call Stern Defense, tell them your problem, they'll just mail one out to you. It took about a week for me to receive it via USPS after they sent it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.